In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a lightbox in Wix. This is a straightforward process that will help you enhance the interactivity of your website. A lightbox is a great way to draw attention to specific content, such as promotions or announcements, by making it pop on the page. So without further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open up the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for making all kinds of edits and customizations to your site. Once you're in, navigate to the editor for the specific site you want to work on. The process is the same for all of your Wix sites, so no worries if you have more than one. Now let's bring up the menu by finding and clicking on the plus icon. This icon is your gateway to adding new elements and features to your site, and you can find it on the left hand side of the editor. Once you click it, a variety of elements will be at your disposal. From the menu, choose Interactive. This is the category where the Lightbox options reside. Selecting Interactive helps you quickly locate the elements that engage users the most, and a Lightbox is a perfect tool for this. In the Interactive section, you'll see different Lightbox options. For this tutorial, we'll click on Welcome. This isn't the only choice you have, but it's a commonly used option that works really well for introductory messages or greetings. If you're looking to get a bit more creative, feel free to explore the other varieties afterward. Once you've added the welcome lightbox, your next move is to select announcements like the We're Back example. This particular option can be a good choice if you're looking to highlight something new, like a product launch or an upcoming event. Find the one that best fits your needs at the moment, as you can always change it later. After selecting your preferred lightbox, it's time to set up its behavior through triggers. Look for the Set Triggers button. Triggers are important because they determine how and when your lightbox will appear to visitors. This might be on page load, after a certain amount of time, or based on a specific visitor action. Setting these correctly ensures your lightbox is both noticeable and appropriately timed. Next, you're going to give your lightbox a name. This naming process helps you keep track of multiple lightboxes, especially if you plan to use more than one throughout your site. Choose a name that reflects the purpose or content of the lightbox for easy recognition. Finally, make sure to select the option to automatically display the lightbox on pages. This ensures that it appears as intended across all relevant sections of your website. And with that, you've successfully added a lightbox to your Wix site. As you can see, adding a lightbox is a fairly easy process once you're familiar with the steps. It's a fantastic way to enhance your website's engagement and capture your visitors' attention right off the bat. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.